and welcome to Lockdown Learner. Today we are having a Ritik Bhatia who has currently done BTech first year. So Ritik, introduce yourself.
First of all, I would like to thank Raj Bhaiya and Team Lockdown Learner for giving me this opportunity. Hi everyone, I am Ritik Bhatia from Green Valleys of Uttarakhand. Currently, I am pursuing BTech Computer Science and I have recently completed my first year.
Okay, I would like to appraise one thing about Ritik. Ritik have a good mind in case of learning new things, and also he had a good communication skills, which we have seen in Chitkara Learner Coder classes, and he have demonstrated his leadership skills also in that. So which makes him very responsible. Okay, Ritik, you are also a part of a Lockdown Learner. So let us start.
Thank you so much.
So what are your views on computer science branch?
Okay, so the most important aspect of computer science is problem solving, which helps in which is an essential skill for living a life. Other than this, the second thing computer science help us is in logic building. Like without logic, one cannot understand how the program is running at the behind. So I feel the logic should be great, and other than this, the computer science have a space for computing as a space for both collaborative work and individual effort. Like one should be working in a corporate with a team, and one can also work as a freelancer. So and earning a lots and lots of money. So it's like one can do both the work, and one can have collaborative work as well and an individual work as well, which give it as an endless job opportunity in the future.
Okay, nice opinion. Like you are in first year and you are telling this much thing, freelancing and all. Like what obstacles you have faced in programming till now and a coding work?
Okay, so the like when I entered the college, it was a bit easy for me to cope up with the programming as I opted for computer science during my class 11th and 12th. Like the main problem I faced was like for the logics. I was very clear with the syntax and all, but for the logic building, then I started solving the flowcharts, and then I break the problem into the smaller part and then solve them, which helped me a lot in doing this. And then came the part of the YouTube. Your channel really helped me to cope up with the programming and helped me during my problems.
Okay, so what sort of things you do for improving your programming now these days in lockdown?
Like I have lots of free time nowadays, so I am really active on the various coding platforms like CodeChef, HackerRank, and I also keep on attending the various online and offline workshops to clear my doubts.
Okay, nice. So how much time you have spent, like average time you have spent on coding per day or per week?
Like it depends on the workload, but on an average I give 10 to 15 hours a week.
Okay, so if you are dean of a college, like what thing would you like to change in your college or like in an education system?
Okay, it would be a tough job, but first of all, like the one thing I would like to reduce is the mandatory courses which is being kept by college for the students, and like promote the personal choices of the student. Secondly, if we see, I would like to eliminate the attendance criteria. Like it might look like something a big step, but what happens is like student will get the more time on their personal developments. Like the college is the place one work on himself and like get a liberty to perform massive problems. He faces the massive problems and learns from them, and he has to almost pay no penalties for all this.
If like you are saying like attendance criteria should not be mandatory, you are saying like this kind of thing. If one is not spending that time on a like good thing, they are doing like bad habits, they are generating bad habits. If the attendance is not criteria, must not fulfill, like they are not coming to the college also, and like they are roaming here and there, and like they're sitting idle in the hostel also. So what would you suggest for those students?
No, like I said, the mandatory courses should be reduced, and the personal choices of the student should be kept as considerable for the student. So what will happen is student will be working more with those personal choices. Like one who has not to study will not study whatsoever happens, like if the class is to be attended or not to be attended. But like one is have the personal choices of these subjects, and the college let them to study on these personal choices, and they would be researching on this personal choice. So this would really help to those students who really wanted to do something on their own for their own.
like some people are cleared with the criteria that they have to do this thing or like they have to do this thing. Like some of them are not criteria. That's why college are like doing things like that. You have to do this course. This is mandatory. Or like some people are like very straightforward from first year. Like suppose I talk about some students. Like some students are like be aware of web development, that they know that they have to go for in future. They have to go in a company, like they have to go for a web development job. So like some of them are not aware of like the way they have to do after completing like third year. So for those students, like college is like putting these courses mandatory that you have to do these courses. If someone build an interest in one of the courses and start pursuing his career into that, towards that, so it's like that kind of a thing. So what are your views on this?
One should be exploring all the things that happens in the college. It makes clear for ones like you do Android development, I like to do Android development, because we were like, I was on the given a workshop for this 1 week, so I came to know like I have the interest on this and I will be working further on this platform only. Not only, but like most of the time I would be giving to this platform. So but the thing is attendance came into the play. Like for 9 to 4 the student keep mugging on these subjects, lots and lots of paper, lots and lots of assignments, which makes a bit of difficult for the most of the students to do something on their own, like doing all the time. Like all the subjects keep on from each day, 8 subjects, 8 classes, only half hour of break. Like student becomes gets so tired. Then like personal choices should be more. Like I am saying not to reduce those classes, but to increase these personal choices. Reduce classes, like if there are 8 lectures, you reduce it to the 4 or 5 lectures. Rest of the 3 lectures students should be given for their personal choices or for something they wanted to do, not like something related to the course, not like something else, but related to the course.
Okay, so your suggestion for college is to reduce like the periods and like that timetable part, that 4 periods, or
Yeah,
like we are having 8 periods, so you have to reduce on 4. So the
yeah,
other time you want to give it for personal development, right?
yeah, yeah,
Like in which career, in which field you want to explore those things. So that can be done by college also. Like they can put a one subject for you like mandatory, like in which career field you want to go, you should choose that particular subject and you should start that working on that project, and teachers should be allotted to you to help and to guide you. That thing must be mandatory in college, and some seniors also should guide the juniors, because
the
the teachers
juniors.
are not like good enough to interact with the problem of juniors, because juniors are not getting cope up with the teachers, like what teachers are teaching, like they are not getting things, they are feeling bored. If some seniors took a part into it, then it would be more great and helpful for the juniors also, and juniors will also listen very carefully those things, because senior knows that where they were lagging when they were in first year, so they can teach you very well. So according to that, am I right or not according to you?
Yeah, you are right, but like it is only for the hostlers. Like senior would guide the hostlers. After 4, the day scholar will be going back to their homes. For those like 2 hours traveling, then reaching
Like
home.
you are saying like 4 periods are mandatory only, like for seniors the other 4 they should spend on you.
Yeah, yeah.
Like seniors are also
This would
having
be a
for
right
free.
option.
Like seniors should that spend that 4 period on you, like they can also explore their basics also, and where they were lagging, seniors should explore,
Yeah,
like if they are going to teach you something, or like if you are giving the knowledge something, they will like first they will read that thing, or like search all over the net, like what are the cons, pros, and how they have to start, like how they have to end, and how they can get a good point on juniors. So
yeah,
it is the like benefit of both the sides, seniors and from the juniors point of view also. Okay, so it should be mandatory for seniors also and for juniors also to attend that course, and for seniors also to give your knowledge to the juniors. All seniors, like they should allot like one senior to the 10 students only, so that they can take a
yeah,
problem properly. If you allot a one senior to 60 class students, or like senior will also get frustrated, like everyone is calling like भैया ये कैसे होगा, ये कैसे होगा, ये कैसे होगा. So if they allot like 5 to 10 students, because seniors are also so many seniors are there, so if they allot like 5 to 10 students per senior, so it will be more good, and things will be working so easy and like good, uh, in the
but
right path.
but seniors, they themselves have the lots of assignments more than the freshers and the second year students. Might create a problem for the seniors as well. Like they will be cleared with their basics, but I feel that bit of problem would be for the seniors as well.
No, there is no bit of problem for seniors also. They are having also their assignment also. Like you are currently like studying C programming language. I've studied in the first semester. I'm in fourth year and you are in first year. So it will be
Yeah.
easy for me also to like give a lecture or like to talk on that point for 10 to 15 minutes or for 2 hours, for 1 hour, because I've studied earlier also and I have a deep knowledge of that thing. So I can give a knowledge to you.
Yeah.
It's not like on a burden on a senior also, because there is a very basic which is you are studying in first year or second year, which a senior in a third or a fourth year can be collaborative with you and can take out their time. Then assignment and all they can do by going at a home also, or like by going in a hostel also. They have enough time, because I'm fourth year student. Like I know, like I have enough time.
Yeah.
Like I can give to a juniors if such things happen in the college. Like other seniors can also give this time if it is mandatory for seniors also, because seniors are not initiating in this thing. They are thinking that this thing is a waste of our time. If college like impose this thing on the seniors, like this is your like some credit subject and you have to do this, so it will be more grateful for college also, for the first year students or second year students also. They will get a proper knowledge from a student that the teacher cannot give, because
Yeah.
it's if the teacher is teaching, the first year student will think like a spoon feeding kind of a thing. Like if teacher is not teaching well, you will like complain like teacher is not teaching well, like this that's not getting the point. We are getting only the content only, we are not getting
Yeah.
all over the points, like you are complaining about this. If the senior will teach you, he know like where you will lag, like I told earlier also, like where you are lagging and where he lagged when he was in first year, so he will teach according to that. You're getting my point, Ritik?
Yeah.
You are satisfied with this or not?
Yeah. 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 I am.
Okay, so like if some of your friends is some of your friend is not doing coding very, not doing very well in coding, so what would you suggest to that friend?
So, like before this, I would like to keep a point. Like one has entered the computer science itself. Before I was like when I was searching for the colleges, and I attended the bit of counselings and something like that. So one thing I was told was you have to be a keen learner. You have to learn throughout. It's not like that you learned a language or something and then you think, like you have to learn throughout the journey, throughout the process, wherever you go. So this thing is like one should, before entering this computer science or any branch, should have clear in his mind that he had to learn lots and lots of new things and he should be keen interested in those things. So before entering the computer science, one should have the prior knowledge of all the things that are going to happen. So this is for the every students. I would like to also, and I would like to add something which is like a community of peers, like something with a like there are lots of students near us who are always into the coding, doing coding. So like we'll also feel like, yeah, I should also be going into the coding. Like we see seniors, they all the time they are learning something new or doing something. So this makes students motivated. One should be motivated in himself, by himself, for an end goal in his life. So which will make him motivated and will help him to learn the coding better.
Okay, right. So why did you choose like this CSC branch?
Okay. So like for CSC, it was like providing an endless goal. Like it happens कि वो होता है ना कि यार बचपन में घर में बोला होता है कि हाँ यार इसको तो इंजीनियर बनाना है, वो था, पर उसके अलावा it has an अपनी मेरी personal choice थी, like it has an endless goal opportunity. Other than this, if I talk about it provides the process of the concepts and all the processes are clear throughout, which develops us in a new way to understand the world in a better way.
Okay, right. So where did you get inspired? Like, can you tell like inspiration from where do you get like teacher? From any teacher you get
Like
inspiration, from any student, from a friend?
Inspiration is like a vast word. If has been seen, it is a vast something like what happens is inspiration is for me is divided into the two parts. One is inspired by himself by his own, and the other is the outsources, and the outsources are uncountable. The students are like motivated or inspired by the outsources as well, but one should have been motivated by himself. Should an endless goal, something he has to achieve, should be cleared in his mind, which will make him like to work. Like outsources will motivate you for a few time or a few point at your life, but that one motivation that you get from inside is for the throughout your. Yeah, I would like to ask a question like, what are your views on the education system? Like, how can it be improved? Any, like, what are the problems being faced?
Okay. It's like education system is like in India, it's like you have to read. There is no practical knowledge, as you are also aware, and I am also aware of that. There's no practical
Yeah,
knowledge given to us. We have to only read. तो हम इस चीज को ओवरकम कर सकते हैं बीटेक के, अगर उससे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखें तो हम सीनियर और जूनियर्स को मतलब एक साथ इंटरेक्ट करा के इस चीज को ओवरकम कर सकते हैं, ताकि सीनियर्स अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताएं जूनियर्स को, और जूनियर्स उनसे कुछ चीज ग्रैब करें और देखें कि उनका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था और उसी अकॉर्डिंग वर्क करना स्टार्ट करें। जैसे हमने पहले डिस्कस किया था, कॉलेज जैसे 9 to 4 होता है, तो उसमें कॉलेज 9 to 12 रखे और बाकी जो टाइम हम पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट क्लासेस के लिए रख सकते हैं या कुछ और चीजों के लिए रख सकते हैं, जिसमें सीनियर्स को भी वो टाइम मिले, सीनियर्स की भी क्लास 9 to 12 लगे, और थर्ड और फोर्थ ईयर
yeah,
के जो हमारे सीनियर्स होंगे वो फर्स्ट और सेकंड ईयर के बच्चों को मतलब करें, जैसे फोर्थ ईयर के फर्स्ट ईयर के, थर्ड ईयर को सेकंड ईयर को, ताकि उनके बेसिक भी इंप्रूव हो, कि उनकी कोडिंग भी अच्छी हो। सीनियर्स का भी फायदा होगा इसमें, जूनियर्स का भी फायदा होगा। जूनियर्स को होगा कि इंटरेक्शन करने को मिलेगा, चीजें पता लगेंगी कॉलेज में
yeah,
कैसे वर्क करती है, क्या होता है, जो कि भी टीचर्स नहीं बता पाते। टीचर्स क्या करते हैं, थोड़ा आया लेक्चर दिया चले गए, चीजें अगर कुछ बच्चे ने पूछ ली तो काफी टीचर्स भी नहीं बता पाते। ये काफी बच्चों के साथ होता है कि टीचर्स बता नहीं पा रहे, बच्चे को पॉइंट टू पॉइंट गेट नहीं हो रहा। ये चीज जो है सीनियर अच्छे से बता पाएगा, क्योंकि सीनियर एक्सपीरियंस होगा, जैसे मैं हूँ, मैंने कुछ चीजें ऐसी फेस करी होंगी जो मैं अच्छे से एलोबरेट करना चाहूंगा अपने जूनियर को, जो मैंने फेस करी है, जो मैंने खुद सर्च करा है, जो मैंने चीजें देखी हैं, जो टीचर ने मेरे को नहीं बताई थी कोडिंग के टाइम पे। तो ये थोड़ी इंटरेक्शन वाली क्लासेस जो है, पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट क्लासेस जो सीनियर जूनियर अगर करें, तो ये इससे थोड़ा हमारा इंप्रूव हो सकता है बीटेक के अकॉर्डिंग, सीएससी देखा जाए तो।
yeah.
एनी अदर क्वेश्चन?
Yeah, I would also like to know like what were your experiences, your journey? You have completed your 4 years of engineering. So what were the problem faced? How you paved your path? What were the experiences that take you? What were the ups and downs?
Okay. Like I talked about, like in first year I was not aware of like this कोडिंग कितनी डीप में आगे तक है। बस मैंने सीएससी ली थी क्योंकि मेरा 11th 12th से कोडिंग में इंटरेस्ट था, 11th 12th नॉट, इनफैक्ट 9th 10th से मेरा इंटरेस्ट था कोडिंग में, तो मैंने इसलिए सीएससी ली कि मैं आगे इसमें कर सकता हूँ। तो मैंने जब सीएससी को मतलब देखा कि आगे इसमें और भी चीजें होती हैं, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, नेटवर्किंग चीजें होती हैं, ये काफी चीजें थोड़ा मेरे लिए नहीं थी, तो मैंने इन चीजों पे वर्क करा।
Yeah,
और जैसे कोडिंग का यार हमें पता नहीं होता, जैसे डेटा स्ट्रक्चर का पॉइंट ले लेते हैं कि हमें पता नहीं था, काफी बच्चों को नहीं पता था कि डेटा स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, ये मैंने पहले भी वीडियो में बताया हुआ है कि हमें सेकंड ईयर के एंड में आके पता लग रहा है, तुम्हें फर्स्ट ईयर में आके पता लग रहा है डेटा स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, क्योंकि तुम्हारी इंटरेक्शन सीनियर्स के साथ हो रही है, और तुम मतलब सीनियर्स के साथ इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हो, और सीनियर्स भी तुम्हें कुछ आउटपुट दे रहे हैं। हमारे टाइम पे क्या था, सीनियर जूनियर इंटरेक्ट ही नहीं करते थे, जिसकी वजह से हमें पता ही नहीं था कि कंपनीज में क्या क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, जो हमारे ही जो साथ के बच्चे वो ही कंपनीज का इंटरव्यू देने के आगे हमें बताते थे कि ये क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये करो वो करो। तो उसी हिसाब से हम क्वेश्चंस मतलब अपना प्रिपेयर करते रहे डिस्कस वगैरह, वरना कॉलेज में तो हमें कुछ भी मतलब इतना अच्छे से नहीं बताया कि ये चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये चीज करो। कोडिंग भी ऐसी चलती जा रही है कि नाम की चलती जा रही है, फिर सी प्लस प्लस जावा, कोई चीज ऐसी नहीं हो पाएगी ढंग से। जैसे कि फर्स्ट ईयर में हमें कोई कोडिंग लैंग्वेज नहीं लगाई, थर्ड सेमेस्टर से आई, तो उस चीज को थोड़ा हमें था कि मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर में बच्चे
drawback.
का अगर शुरुआत में जैसे कॉलेज नया बच्चा आता है, तो वो नई सोच के साथ आता है कि पुरानी चीजें भूल जाता है, कि मैं कुछ नई चीजें लर्न करूंगा कॉलेज में जाके। तो अगर हम उसे
Hmm.
फर्स्ट डे से ही कुछ नई चीजें सिखाने की कोशिश करें तो बच्चा चेंज हो जाता है। ऐसी बात नहीं कि 60% वाला बच्चा है तो बच्चा एवरेज ही रहेगा, वो बच्चा जब नई जगह जाएगा तो बच्चा नई चीजें देखेगा, इंप्रूव भी होगा। जैसे चित्कारा लर्नर की मैंने वो लिया था, क्या कहते हैं, वर्कशॉप ली थी, तो उसमें सारे के सारे बच्चे मतलब बैठे हुए थे, कोई बच्चा बोर नहीं हुआ था। 3 घंटे की वर्कशॉप थी, 2-3 घंटे की, उसके बाद
Yeah.
उन्होंने क्वेश्चन भी पुट ऑन करे थे। जो बच्चे इनफैक्ट की 60% 65% जो कि बिल्कुल पढ़ने में अच्छे थे, उन्होंने भी क्वेश्चन पुट ऑन करे थे। उन्होंने भी कहा था कि हम आगे सीएससी में कुछ करेंगे, वेब डेवलपमेंट करेंगे। तो मेन चीज आती है गाइडेंस की, जो कि शुरुआत से ही हमारे पास नहीं होती, और वो गाइडेंस हमारे ऊपर भी है कि हमें भी इंटरेक्ट करना चाहिए जूनियर्स को, एज अ तुम्हारे लिए कह रहा हूँ कि तुम्हें भी इंटरेक्ट करना चाहिए सीनियर्स के साथ, कि चीजें कैसे वर्क कर रही है,
Yeah.
कोडिंग कहाँ तक है। अगर मैं ये चीज स्टार्ट करूँ, तो मेरे जैसे सपोज करो तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट सी प्लस प्लस में बन जाता है, तो तुम अब सीनियर से जाके पूछोगे कि सी प्लस प्लस में आगे क्या क्या कर सकता हूँ, सीनियर तुम्हें उस हिसाब से बताएगा कि इस लैंग्वेज में इतना आगे है नहीं, जावा करो, पाइथन करो, इसमें है। तो बेटर वो ये ना कि ये कि तुम सी प्लस प्लस कर रहे हो 2 साल से, तुम बाद में जाके तुम्हें पता लग रहा है आउटपुट नहीं है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल कह रहा हूँ, ऐसी बात है नहीं वैसे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कह रहा हूँ, बाद में तुम्हें जाके पता लगे आउटपुट नहीं, तुम्हें पॉइंट टू पॉइंट गाइडेंस लेनी चाहिए कि यहाँ पे आके कैसे कैसे चीजें मतलब वर्क कर रही हैं। मतलब इन फ्यूचर का इसका क्या स्कोप है और कैसे चीजें वर्क करेंगे, नहीं तो कुछ?
Yeah. No, thank you.
Okay, Ritik, thank you for being a part of a
Yeah,
top down learner. Okay.
it was an honor.